Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I have 3 examples of the L-cross for you. Think of this format like a much simpler version of the classic plus-shaped crossfold. It's like half of a crossfold that's shaped like an L when it opens. These are easier to produce, nest better than the classic cross, and they can be mail-friendly too. In my opinion, they're totally underutilized and a great format for marketing, so let's take a closer look. This first example mailed in a full-color envelope and was a creative and stylish way to deliver a ski lift pass that was purchased online. You can see there are several die-cut notches for passes to be inserted and held in place. I like how the panel configuration is unique, but also from a creative standpoint, it's only 3 panels to design for. The L-cross is a nice format choice when you want to do something unique, but you don't have 5 or 6 panels worth of content to lay out. This next example is a favorite of mine from episode 442. I'm bringing it back because it's so good. I love the reveal. The design fit into a number 10 envelope, and they use the format several times in other promotions. It's a great example of creating a die for a versatile, mail-friendly format that can be used more than once. Lastly, here's a great little B2B self-mailer that totally could have been a trifold, but it's not. I like the clean lines and simplicity and how the photo panels frame the message. Now I want to show you one more interesting thing about the L-cross, and I'll bring all 3 samples back to compare because it's a great exercise in layout options and user experience. A few of my eagle-eyed viewers may have caught this already, but each of the 3 samples has a different panel configuration. Watch. For the Epic sample, the 3rd panel is an extension of the front cover. The MGM sample opens and folds down with the 3rd panel attached to the bottom edge of the back cover. And the last sample opens up and over with the 3rd panel coming out from the right side of the back panel. So I've given you a lot to think about on a very simple but impactful 3-panel format. If you need a unique 4-panel solution, revisit episode 574 to look at the checkbook fold. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.